All right, this is the Big Ben's nut sauce. This is part of my routine when I change the strings on my guitar. Comes in a 1.5 cc size tube, little injector tube here. I swear by this, I've used it for years, and this little tube will last me quite a long time. Basically, the concept behind this stuff is any place where there's a friction point for your strings, where your strings are gonna move, rub, grind, whatever, you're gonna wanna put some nut sauce in there. Let me show you what I do with it. When I change my strings, I get my string pretty much close to the tightness where I want to have it, you know, almost in tune before I'll set it in there. Sometimes I'll string it up and get it in tune and then just pick the string out, put some stuff in there, and then set the string back in there. I like to take the tube and I just put a little in each of the nut slots, just a little tiny bit in there, and I'll push it in there. And when I lay my string in there, this stuff works great for me. There's no binding on the nut, which is common. Another binding point would obviously be right here on the string tree. And another place where I will put the nut sauce is right here on the saddle after I get it close to being in tune. Yep, those are my three spots. On the saddles, on the nut, and on the string tree. And I love this stuff, used it for years. It's part of my routine when I change my strings.